to Samira's Kids TV, and today we'll be doing a DIY experiment that includes primary colors, secondary colors. So we have 5 cups. You need 3 filled with water and 2 with no water. And you need red, blue, and yellow to make two secondary colors. You'll need some paper towel, and you need to roll them up so you can put them in the cups. We have these straws. The reason why we have these straws to stir them up, the only reason why I don't have 3 is because my brother is holding the other one. Now we are going to pour our primary colors into our cups. I would use like 3 to 4 drops. Okay, we're going to start with yellow. Now blue for the middle. And then the last color, which is red. Now we are going to store with our straws in the right colored cups. Now I'm going to start with blue. The blue is like the color of the ocean. Now the last one we need to do is yellow. Now we are going to put our paper towel straws into the cups. Now we are going to wait and see them form secondary colors. Yellow made green, red and blue made purple. Let's stir.
Yeah.
Bye friends, see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like, share. See you soon. Bye.